Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy link image from Google. Let's start by searching the browser for the desired word. When doing so, we click on images to see the various options. Here, click on the desired image. You will see that it enlarges to the side. There, right-click on the image and select the option Copy Image Address. To check, open a new tab and paste the address there. When you press Enter, you will see the image. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.